Happy morning, dear friends. Here's yours, Dr. Rajanta. Welcome to Demystify with Ajay. Dear friends, every time you type a question into ChatGPT, you are not just asking a machine. You are activating a complex network of data centers, GPUs, cooling system, and electricity grids. So how much energy and water does one AI answer really cost? Let's decode the science behind it. One word, one drop, and one answer at a time. According to OpenAI CEO Sam Altman, the average ChatGPT query uses about 0.34 watt-hours of energy. That's roughly the amount needed to power a high-efficiency LED bulb for 2 minutes, or what your oven consumes in just over a second. And here in terms of water, each query uses just 0.000085 gallons. That's about 1/5 of a teaspoon. Mostly for cooling the data center that power the model. Difference now, while these numbers seems tiny per query, they scale up fast. With millions of queries handled every single day, the combined energy and water impact becomes significant. But here's the twist. Altman notes that we have come a long way in improving efficiency. From ChatGPT 4 to ChatGPT 4, token processing costs have dropped over 150 times. AI is getting smarter and leaner. But here's something surprising. Altman admits that the GPUs running advanced AI like GPT-4o are literally overheating, especially during intensive tasks like real-time image generations. So these are not metaphors. The hardware strain is real and it's pushing data center to their limits, rising power demand, cooling requirements, and hardware risks. As engineers push the limit of what AI can do, there's another challenge: environmental sustainability. When GPU melt, it means we are burning more electricity, producing more heat, and relying on vast amount of cooling infrastructure, water, chemicals, and fans running 24/7. All this means that AI now carries a non-trivial carbon footprint, especially at the scale tech giants are operating. To handle this rising demand, companies like Microsoft and Google are planning bold solution. Yes, Microsoft has reactivated a nuclear plant under a 20 years agreement. Google is investing in small modular nuclear reactors, aiming for clean, stable power by 2035. Because if AI is to become part of everyday life, it has to be sustainable. By the 2030s, both energy and intelligence could become widely abundant. In his words, the cost of running AI may someday coverage with the cost of electricity itself. Ultra cheap, ultra efficient. Dear friends, every AI engineer, every data center operator, every product designer must now consider efficiency and impact. We need better chips, smarter cooling, transparent reporting, and above all, ethical design. AI is not just about intelligence, it's about impact. From melting GPUs to teaspoons of cooling water. What we build today shapes the world we inherit tomorrow. So next time, if you ask a ChatGPT a question, remember it's sipping just a few watts and a few drops of water. But behind the scene, tech giants are investing heavily in infrastructure to make that sip sustainable. If you found this eye-opening and want more insights on the hidden truth behind AI and technology, subscribe and stay tuned. Happy learning, dear friends.